Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Typescript. So today we are going to discuss about the private and the public access modifiers Typescript. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So we have the private, public and the protected access modifiers, right? So access modifiers in TypeScript such as private and the public allow you to control the visibility. Visibility means whether you want to access these variables outside the class or inside the class, right? And the accessibility of the class members, same. Okay, properties and the methods. They define how these members can be accessed within the class from the and from the external code, right? So something like you can let's take an example. Private access modifiers, the private access modifiers restricts the visibility of a class member to within the class itself. So whenever you declare the private to any of the variable, okay, so it should be accessible within the class itself, okay, not the outside. This means that the private members, okay, so the private members cannot be accessed from outside the class, including the instance of the class. Okay, so here we have the example. Let's copy this and use this case. And here we have ts node, secret value is 12. Okay, so instance dot reveal secret, so this is we are able to get. But if we try to get this is basically the private secret value, right? So here you can see the secret reveal secret is using the this dot secret value. So instance the reveal secret can be the output, right? If you go and just use instance dot secret value, it will show the property secret value is private. If you directly call this secret value, okay, this one, so it will show you the error that secret value is a private and cannot be accessed outside the class. Let's open it and check. And if I go and just run this one, see the error, property secret value is private and cannot be accessed from outside the class. Okay, so this is that way that you cannot access the private properties outside the class. Okay, so it can be within the class you can use. Okay, next one. So this is you can say about the private access modifiers. Then we have a public that we always use, that can be accessed anywhere, both within the class and from external code, right? So here we have the public. Okay, so public value, right? And you can instance with like public show value also, console.log instance dot public value. Okay, so you can access from anywhere, both within the class and from external code. That is called the public access modifiers. Okay, next we have, it's important to note that the default access modifiers of a class members in TypeScript is public. That we all know that default is all the members or the methods are public by default. If you do not explicitly specify an access modifier, the member is assumed to be public. If you're not define that whether the members are public or the private, okay, so and that member is assumed to be a public. Using the SS modifiers helps to encapsulate and control the visibility of the class members, promoting good software design practice, ensuring that the internal details of a class are hidden from the external code when necessary. Okay, so this is that one. So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.